Are soggy sandwiches ruining your outdoor adventures? Isn't it time for a solution? CoolerPak, the best damn ice pack. Meet CoolerPak, the refillable, reusable, space-saving ice pack designed specifically for your cooler. CoolerPak is a game changer. Unfold it, fill it with water, and freeze. Use the rust-resistant snaps to secure the CoolerPak onto the cooler walls to save space. CoolerPak launches in 3 sizes: 7 pounds, 10 pounds, and 15 pounds, catering to all your cooling needs. Additionally, CoolerPak can be configured in many ways. When not in use, CoolerPak drains quickly and folds away for compact storage. It's made with ultra-durable, multi-layered coated waterproof fabric. CoolerPak is built to last. It's in a league of its own. But wait, what about keeping your cooler cold? We tested the CoolerPak in a 30-quart cooler with a 10-pound ice pack. It stayed cold for over 5 days. With CoolerPak, you can trust it to keep your adventures ice cold. After countless designs and endless research, we settled on the best materials to make the CoolerPak. From rigorous testings to refining the design, every step of the journey was driven by our commitment to excellence. Because we believe that everyone deserves hassle-free outdoor adventures, CoolerPak is here to make it happen. With its space-saving design, you'll have more room for what really matters: enjoying the great outdoors.
Hey, I'm Joe, the founder of CoolerPak, a passion project born out of a need for a better cooling solution. Frustrated by the constant hassle of buying ice, I created CoolerPak for outdoor enthusiasts like you. An ice pack designed specifically for coolers to keep your cooler cold and dry.
Join the CoolerPak revolution today. Back our campaign and be the first to experience the difference. Together, we can make every adventure cooler. CoolerPak, the best damn ice pack.